Hey guys, welcome back to Weekends with Joe. Today, Nerdblock Jr. again, with a hole on it. This one is November edition. You can see what's inside. Oh! Wait, so first, we have this. Donatello Ninja Turtle. It's a soft, like little plushie. Stare until it's sold. Hiya, cowabunga, dude. And then, what is this? Like a Luke Skywalker on it. Jedi. So open this. Wait, is this a bat? What is this? Looks like an apron, but okay, guys, it's an apron. Jedi and training apron. Draw your own comic book, guys. There's two, and they have like the little comic strips. So I can like draw speech bubbles. Next item, neon crayons. Fantastic Beasts, Where to Find Them calendar. I'm a huge fan of Harry Potter. Was that for Halloween? Check out that video. Nice. Batman #3 socks. I don't know why there's a 3 on it, but it's okay. Then we have Despicable Me puzzle piece, 24 pieces. That's so little amount, but it's still a puzzle. Ding. Then we have this G.I. Joe t-shirt. What? Oh yeah, and guys, these little things are pieces of a puzzle. And we have a National Geographic, like. So my favorite one is probably, okay, I have 3 favorites. So this Ninja Turtle, Donatello plushie, Fantastic Beasts, Harry, and Where to Find Them, Harry Potter calendar, and these 2. So guys, had fun unboxing Nerdblock Jr. November edition. Yeah, see you next time on Weekends with Joe. Like, subscribe. Goodbye.